Come in. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my lord. Can I sit?
Yes, please.
And how are you and the family?
We are managing, sir. Thank you for asking.
I'm glad to hear that. And forgive me for dropping in unexpectedly.
That's okay. I actually have been planning to speak to you myself.
Oh, I'm certain we are thinking about the same things generally, at least. Well, the first one cuts across everything else. We are working with scraps. Barely anything is coming through to help with our operations.
How come?
The cost has gone up, but the budget hasn't. And if you would notice, a lot of responsibilities have been put your way, we shouldn't.
Yeah, quite a few. That's why
We could not communicate with you earlier because we thought it was a temporary inconvenience. Unfortunately, this has become important because we need it for the survival of the business. As I mentioned, we've had to lay off a few employees and their positions have become redundant. But to achieve that, we need to spread the responsibilities over the redundant positions. And unfortunately, you fall in that category.
That's quite a lot of information, sir. And if I may be frank, it's no good.
Well, the next issue is no better. I read your email, and that is why I'm here personally. Because I thought it best for you to hear from the horse's own mouth. Your request for a raise has been denied due to the present financial constraints we are going through.
I'm supposed to take on all these responsibilities and still maintain my salary.
From my perspective, it's good news by comparison. You know, there was an issue raised about reduction of salaries, but I was able to push it away for now. I won't be human if I say I do not understand or sympathize with your frustration, especially what you already have been dealing with. This matter exceeds my powers. I'm sorry, Frimpoma. I'm very sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Everybody one day go need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach outside, no be life, sister, sister.
Hey.
Welcome back.
Thank you. You look different. I like the hair.
Thank you. Are you sure you like it?
Yeah, I do. I really like it.
Thank you. That was quite the shock you had on your face. Hope your phone is alright.
Yeah, it's fine. I just had a surprising message.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank God. I can see your table is missing a cup of hot chocolate.
I was waiting for you before I ordered for my specialty.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Waiting for me, Chichi.
Yes, you.
You said Chichi, you're waiting for me.
Yes, I was waiting.
Yeah. Okay, come right there.
Alright, in a disposable cup, please.
Sure. I'll be right back.
Bye.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dadapa.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry?
That apology is lacking, but because you're not a regular here, I'll let it slide.
That wasn't an apology, and I am a regular.
Well, that's a shame, because if you were, you'd know that this is my seat.
Your seat.
Yes, ask anyone around.
I must be missing something. Are you the owner?
And why does that matter?
Because it's impossible to make reservations here, so you cannot claim ownership of a specific seat.
Well, that's a shame. But whether you like it or not, this is my seat. And that's just because some people are better than others.
What are you even talking about? On what basis?
On the basis that they are better.
So you believe you're better than I am?
I just don't believe I'm better than you. I know I am better than you.
Very funny.
And who's saying a joke here?
Well, everything you've been saying so far has been building up to a punchline.
Oh, and here I was, hoping that we could resolve this kindly.
Well, let me make this clear. I am not getting up from this seat. You can either sit somewhere else or we can share the seat.
What makes you think I want to share the seat with you?
That was the first option.
No, there is no option. What you have to do is get up from this seat and use another seat.
We've already discussed why that won't be happening.
Oh, trust me, you will.
Is that a threat? Or are you so entitled that you feel everybody has to listen to you?
Like I said, some people are just better than others.
I don't have time for this.
Hello?
Madam, I honestly do not care where you sit. You can even stand if you want to, but I am not getting up from this seat.
Your coffee.
I have been here well over 2 minutes. Why am I now receiving my coffee?
Oh,
You were in the middle of a conversation and I thought it was best to wait until you were done.
You were listening in?
Oh no! I only heard your voice and minded my business until I couldn't anymore. Then I thought it was okay to bring the coffee.
Leave my presence.
Okay, thank you.
Go!
Thank you, sir. Madam.
Only one place I go show. Oh, friendly connection. At the coffee shop, one-to-one tensions. At the coffee shop, every day.
A small gift from me.
Thank you so much.
Always, oh.
Bye.
Coffee shop, you for know, you gonna know, you for know, coffee shop.
I had been told, but now I believe. Love at first sight is indeed true. I thought all was lost, but now I confess. There's redemption for the dogged I profess.
Lovely poem in the making. I think I recognize that smile.
Oh, shut up. What? You thought you were the only writer in the family, eh? I hope you're back with something I can actually read.
I actually do have something you can read.
You could do it.
I hate you.
And I love you too. Where are you going? I thought you were used to me laughing at you when it's bad.
It is not bad. I just need to get you something. I'll be back.
Alright, sure.
Everybody one day go need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause I know be life.
It is not as fresh as it should be, but it's okay for a preview.
Let me be the judge of that. This is really good. Look, but we'll tell Malik that his hot chocolate is alright.
So this was all about Malik.
That's none of your business. Now show me what you've written.
Oh, that's what I want anyways. Oh, come on. This was too good to be true.
Let's try again, okay?
I'm fine. It's okay. You should come with me to the coffee shop someday. Look, when you're ready. Until then, I hope this keeps you from being bored.
How did you? I told you just last night.
I know. I just wanted to get you something nice.
Look.
I got a programming work from someone at the coffee shop.
Okay, but look, we need money for other stuff other than buying books for fun.
Don't worry, it's not a problem. Let's see if the laptop wants to wake up now. There you are, man.
No.
Do I think of something?
What you need to tell me is how you made money to afford these things.
I got a programming job yesterday at the coffee shop. I was waiting to get paid so I can surprise you guys.
That's kind of you. Thank you.
Oh, come on.
We really needed these things.
I know, ma. And I'll do anything to help you.
You're the best son. I love you.
I love you too, ma.
Mm.
What are you having for dinner, baby?
What do you want to eat?
All rice balls.
Hey, so when am I seeing you again?
Oh, my dear. I'm busy this weekend and the weekend after. Oh, no. But I'm sure to get together with you after that.
Whenever we meet, just say now treat me no time ansana. My son who is na feelings, you see me da cry na me home popo. No, don't know. I say yeah, you lose to be na. Man, you're tight, mommy.
Sweetheart, make sure cry. I have you, okay? Don't worry about that. And I told you, the longer you wait, the better. I'll make you happy.
Hey, and you're my dining show. The more I say na.
Debbie da, and cheddar. I'll see you. Anyhow.
Oh, baby, come here.
At the coffee shop, everyday connection.
Mira!
Yes, ma.
Baby girl. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What's all that makeup for?
I want to look good.
For who?
For me.
Eh.
Uh-huh.
You look good.
Thank you.
You're so pretty.
Ah, thank you.
I hope you still have that smile after the exercise. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you.
Thank you. You are the best.
Good to great. Nice title.
Yeah, and it's a good read too. Jacob got this for me,
That's sweet of him. Feels good to have a man in the house, huh?
Yeah. Especially an earner.
Jacob the worker. Or should I say, Kweku the traveler.
Kweku killer don't lie when I say I did it.
Okay, wait. Big shot, Wait, I'm trying. Come here, darling. I love you.
I love you too.
It's time for exercise, though.
Tired.
Don't worry. I got you.
Everybody one day go need somebody. Brother, if you know
Here you go.
life, sister, all that's big star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life.
Baby. It's been a long time I heard from you. Well, yes. I've been busy. Work demands. Well, I'm not in Accra at the moment, but when I get back, we'll make up for lost times immediately. Well, yes. Oh, I miss you too. Okay, bye. Hi, darling.
Hi, baby.
Oh, I miss you so much.
Me too.
Coming in.
Sure.
Let's go. Everybody one day go need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause side no be life. Sister, all that's pink star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life. You for smile as you go. Screw face no go pay the bill you for no. This life, yeah, happy connection at the coffee shop, one-to-one tensions at the coffee shop, friendly connections at the coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know, you for know, coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know.
Yo,
up now. Early morning like this when you wake up now. My brother, one thing you don't forget now. Enter the coffee shop and you connect now. Happily ever after. Now you see every man is a superstar. Wild dreams on your head and you the wonder. Find someone and together you run that. Say bonjour, hello friend.